I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You begin by verifying activation and saving open files, because interrupted installs corrupt work. Once done, close Excel and other Office apps to free resources. Next, open Control Panel Windows Update and make sure Microsoft Update is enabled so Office updates appear. If not, tick it. Also backup critical spreadsheets to OneDrive or a USB drive. This prevents data loss if rollback is needed. These steps let the installer run cleanly and avoid common update failures. Now you locate and download the appropriate Excel 2013 updates. Start with Windows Update or visit the Microsoft Update catalog and search the Office 2013 KB numbers. Choose Cumulative and Security Patches first because they contain prior fixes. Once you've queued them, run the installer as administrator to ensure proper permissions. Install updates sequentially and reboot when prompted. This makes sure each update configures correctly. Make sure to monitor installation progress for errors and note any KB ID shown for troubleshooting later. Finish by launching Excel and checking File Account about Excel to confirm the new build. If Excel opens and features behave normally, you're done. If an update failed, run Program's Microsoft Office Change Repair to fix installation files, then reattempt the update. This often resolves corrupted installers. If problems persist, review the Windows Update log or event viewer for error codes and use the KB number to find targeted fixes, and consider resetting Windows Update components before another install attempt.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.